If you're replacing a Wi-Fi module with a 4G modem, first thing you want to do is unplug the device. Then flip the device upside down. You'll see there on the base of the device there is a door with a single screw. You'll need a Phillips head screwdriver or electric drill to just remove the single screw. Put the door to the side and you'll see there is the Wi-Fi module. It looks identical to the base of the 4G modem. The way to tell the difference between the two is that the 4G modem has a SIM card in it, and that allows it to connect to the local cell network. Using a flat screwdriver or a butter knife, something that's quite solid, in the middle of the Wi-Fi modem, or module I should say, just use that to angle it out, and that pops straight out. So it's just inserted into a USB point there. Grab the 4G modem, look inside the device and you'll see the USB point. Pop that until it clicks into place and then reinstall the door into position. Simple as it is to switch the Wi-Fi module to a 4G modem. If I plug the device back in, give that a second to load up. You'll then see on the screen, instead of the Wi-Fi symbol, you'll see the cell network bars. When you first turn the device on, it'll have a red X through it. That means it's not connected to the network. About 30 to 60 seconds that'll take to connect to the local cell network. That red X will disappear and then you'll be able to get data directly from this device without needing the patient to do anything on their end.